If you have a knack for numbers, you might consider a career as an accountant. Some accountants work for private citizens, helping them file their taxes and giving advice on general financial matters. Other accountants work for companies, either as outside consultants or as full-time employees. They handle the company's financial records, overseeing budgets, payments, expenses, and taxes. There are accountants that work for the government. Some work for the IRS or Internal Revenue Service, the agency responsible for collecting taxes. IRS accountants make sure that tax returns are filled out properly. They are specially trained to look for tax fraud. Other government accountants make sure that local, state, and federal agencies keep accurate records. Accounting can be tedious work. New computer software is rapidly changing and opening the door to easier record keeping. Accountants should expect to spend most of their time at a desk. A degree in accounting or a related field is necessary for most candidates. Passing the exam to become a CPA or Certified Public Accountant will offer better job opportunities. And most states require CPA candidates to complete an additional 30 semester hours beyond the usual bachelor's degree. Diligence, integrity, and a good head for numbers are what count in this career.